This 2023 Newmar Ventana 3412 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Remmy Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, leveling jacks, stove top burner, TV antenna, LP detector, water heater, external shower, smoke detector, refrigerator, Colorado detector, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Ventana 3412 is built on a Spartan K1 chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.